Hello, it's Mark Matorsh here for Markham 3D, and today we're going to be converting a PNG file or a photo to an SVG file, which is a vector drawing, and from there we're going to put it into a 3D model. So we're starting off on png to svg.com. Let's scroll down a little bit and we will choose a file. And I have opened up Mr. Isaac Butterfield. He's another Australian YouTuber. We're trying to get him to 1 million subscribers. I'm trying to help you out, buddy. Now let's go back to the other website. Now there's only 2 colors, so I want to select 2 colors. 1, 2. And let's simplify it a little bit. And I'm going to come down to the bottom and click generate. And so over here we can see now that we've created our SVG file, or our vector file. From here I'm going to click download SVG. Let's now come across into Blender and let's select that default cube and make sure we delete that. And then let's select everything with A and delete that. So from here, I'm going to go File, Import, SVG, and then we'll find our file. And now we've got it in here. We don't see it. That's because, if we zoom in, it's right there. So now we can see we've got 2 layers over here on the right. We've got path 0 and path 1. So if I just move that to the side with G, we can see we've got the black and we've got the white. So from here, we want to change this into a 3D model. I'm going to select the white section, Object, Convert to Mesh from Curve Meta Surface Text. Bam. So now we've converted this into a mesh. And if we press Tab, we'll see a whole bunch of lines going across. Let's press A to extrude and... No, sorry, A to select all and E to extrude. And there we go. Mr. Buttsman is a 3D model. If you're new to the channel, thank you very much for coming. Think about hitting that subscribe button. It really helps me out and keeps you up to date with my content. Make sure you head over to Isaac Butterfield and check out some of his videos.